Repairing some caravan sidewalls with unusual textures, such as dimples or ripples, requires attention to detail when replicating the original dimple pattern. Here, you can see the textured exterior, which presents the unique challenge of matching its surface for a seamless repair. The pattern of indentations is difficult to copy. The surface cannot be filled and faired in the traditional way. A mold is then taken of the existing dimple pattern on an undamaged area of the wall, capturing the imprint or texture. This mold will serve as the template for recreating the surface on the repaired area, ensuring a visually consistent result. However, the damaged aluminium plate must be repaired first. Here you can see the silicone imprint of the dimple pattern. We can copy other patterns like the fluted texture found on some of the older European caravans. After the repairs to the structure are complete, we inject a special epoxy resin between the mold imprint and the damaged wall. This can be very tricky. Too little epoxy causes voids, and too much is also a problem. When the epoxy is fully set, the epoxy has adhered to the repair area, leaving a transparent epoxy layer that matches the existing pattern. The areas adjacent to the epoxy repair are particularly challenging to merge, which can be time-consuming. In most cases, the repair is hard to see once the job is completed. A side view of the Hobby Caravan shows the whole expanse of the repaired area. Documenting photo evidence and details in our system files ensures transparency throughout the process. It provides assessors with a clear record of the work done and the caravan's condition during our work. Our friendly office staff will keep the caravan owner informed throughout the repair process, liaising with the assessor, insurance company, and the owner to make the process as stress-free as possible for the owner.